actually about to show off the first project of the channel here. We're just gonna kind of go ahead and take a walk here since it's kind of getting dark. Don't mind any traffic noise or anything. We do live on a major thoroughfare here, but we're just gonna kind of start taking a walk over here because this is either gonna end up being totally great, epic, badass. Sorry for the language, but we decided to go ahead and attempt our very own version of a 12-foot pumpkin skeleton. So we hope you like it. We actually have this thing standing up with a support and stay cables. Uh, it is actually come out to be 13 foot 9 inches tall. We can see some of the details here that we put in and stuff. We did some kind of carving detail and stuff. Got some diffusion fabric in there, put some oak leaves up. We have a flaming bulb in the head with a heartbeat flaming bulb in the chest. It's made completely out of PVC pipe and pull noodles. We had a little issues standing it up. Gave it some root feet down there. We actually went into some great detail on doing everything, including vines made out of jute rope and stuff like that. So, and we just kind of supported it up there with a couple screws and some zip ties and stuff. We didn't want him to stand straight up. We kind of wanted to kind of give me that lean. So, just want to kind of give you a little overview of it. And what we're going to do here in just a few minutes is actually go ahead and actually what we'll do in the next video is we'll actually share videos with a voiceover so everybody can actually kind of see some of the process that I went through to create this thing. This was originally supposed to be done by October 15th. We were going to enter in the Monster Tutorials Noodle Skeleton prop challenge. Unfortunately, Mother Nature had some different plans for us, and I'm just kind of going around right now, just kind of sharing a few things, show you some of the details and stuff. And the support stand is just kind of simple, 2x4 kind of tripod stand, and then we took it up and everything. We were actually having to put this up actually in 25 mile per hour winds last night, and the winds didn't die down until this evening, so we kind of secured him a little bit more. He was actually more hunched over than this, but we do hope that you like it, and we will see you next time.